Hi, if you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life, so you know what they like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews. In this video, we will discuss about the top 7 best small saucepan, so let's get started. Number 7. T-fal C91124 Excite Saucepan. The T-fal C91124 features a 3-ply encapsulated base to ensure the best performance and durability you could want in your saucepans. With an aluminum core in the middle of the stainless steel, you can be sure the pan will heat quickly and evenly every time you cook. The saucepans feature a contemporary design that will fit into most kitchens and a brushed steel interior that will look great for years to come. In addition to the saucepans, you will receive a strong glass lid that has a strainer and a pour spout attached. You can easily watch over your cooking while also having simple methods available for removing water from the pan and transferring your recipe into a serving dish. This saucepan can also be used in the oven, but only up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 6. Farberware 50002 Classic Saucepan. This stainless steel saucepan from Farberware uses a 3-ply construction with a layer of aluminum in between the stainless steel for even better heat distribution. It also comes with a long and comfortable handle that stays cool even at the hottest of temperatures. The pan includes a snug-fitting lid with a bell shape and a stylish knob on top for easy removal. You can use this pan for all sorts of purposes since it is both oven and dishwasher safe. However, it should only be placed in the oven at low temperatures of up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit to avoid damage. If you're searching for a classic, traditional saucepan for your kitchen, this one offers the quality and durability you want while looking great in the process. Number 5. Cuisinart MCP193 MultiClad Saucepan. The Cuisinart MCP193-19N has been updated to offer a cast stainless steel handle that is riveted to the pan and stays cool to the touch when cooking. It's made out of a high-quality 18/10 steel with an aluminum core for a perfect combination of durability and even heating. The pan can be used in the oven as long as the temperature is no more than 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Another notable feature of this saucepan is its heat surround technology, which keeps heat evenly moving along the bottom and sides of the cookware. It also offers a drip-free pouring rim, so you don't have to worry about making a mess when serving meals. It also comes with a secure, tight-fitting cover that helps retain moisture and nutrients. Number 4. Cuisinart 719-16 Chef's Classic Saucepan. Our second model from Cuisinart is the 719-16 Chef's Classic, which comes in stainless steel with an interior aluminum base to prevent hot spots. This saucepan also has measurement lines inside that help you quickly determine how much of a dish you are making or how much of an ingredient has been added. It is a smaller pan at 1.5 quarts, but works well for a single person or a couple. This saucepan comes with a steel lid that has the same design as the pan and will fit tightly to avoid letting out nutrients while cooking. It also has a tapered rim so you can easily pour soups, chili, and more without worrying about making a mess on your table. The helper handle included on this model gives you an additional level of support and balance when you're lifting or pouring with the pan. Number 3. AVACRAFT Stainless Steel Saucepan. This saucepan from AVACRAFT is made from 18/10 food-grade stainless steel and comes in 1.5 quart and 3.5 quart sizes. Its interior has a matte finish to prevent scratches, while the outside has a shiny and stylish mirror finish. It also offers measurement lines on the inside to make cooking even more convenient. The saucepan offers an all-in-one design with straining holes on each side for removing water from pasta and other dishes. It also has dual-pour spouts, so even those who are left-handed can use the extra features without trouble. In addition to working well on regular gas and electric stoves, it's also compatible with induction cooktops. Number 2. Utopia Kitchen Nonstick Saucepan with Glass Lid. This saucepan from Utopia Kitchen has a multi-layer non-stick coating using 3003 aluminum alloy for optimum durability. The use of this material makes these pans perfect for use in home kitchens and just as useful for a professional kitchen. You can expect the interior of the saucepans to be durable and resistant to scratches, stains, and other blemishes. It also features a Bakelite handle that is riveted to the pan and has a comfortable grip to ensure your hand stays cool while you're cooking. For those who are worried about chemicals in their cookware, this model is lead dash, cadmium dash, and PFOA free, so you don't have to worry about any nasties getting into your meals. It also has a nice European theme designed to add some elegance to your space. Number 1. Cuisinart 719-14 Chef's Saucepan with Cover. This is our third saucepan from Cuisinart, which just goes to show how well-made and durable their line of cookware tends to be. It's made from durable stainless steel with an aluminum core for optimal heat distribution, with an interior that will not become discolored or react to acidic foods like some saucepans tend to. There is a smooth taper on the rim of the pan that is designed to stop spills and drips in their tracks. It also comes with a tight-fitting lid made of stainless steel that retains moisture and nutrients. This saucepan can be used in the oven at temperatures below 550 degrees Fahrenheit, or even popped under the broiler when needed.